Hey beautiful people, this is Beauty and the Budget, and today we are doing a DIY hair growth deep conditioner using fenugreek powder, avocado and aloe vera. So here you see me removing the skin off the aloe vera. Of course, aloe vera is a very spiny plant, so you want to avoid the sharp edges. Safety first. You're gonna extract the gel, and remember that it's slippery, so while you're handling the knife, don't want no accidents, just be careful. So you remove the sides first, which is the spiny sides, just as you see here, which is the safest way to do it. And then you carefully remove the skin and extract the gel and place it into a bowl. Now the benefits of aloe vera is that it is a great conditioner and it leaves your hair smooth and shiny. This aloe vera plant, or as we know in Jamaica, we call it Single Bible, it promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff, and it even repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. So of course you know that encourages growth. Look at this right here. This is gold, may I tell you. So you guys, if you don't have an aloe vera plant growing in your backyard, child, get one. Get into it, people, get into it. This stuff is really slippery though. Watch me trying not to cut myself. And finally the last one. Look here, I'm not making anything waste. So even the slimmest part of the plant, I am making sure to extract all the gel from it. Look here. This thing is good, you know. I'm gonna say good moisturizer. Yeah, the good things on a budget right here. So of course, you don't want too much of the green part going in. See, that's me scraping out the gel, so just remove that little part out there. I don't know why I threw it in there. I don't know, madness is gladness, but yeah, see it here. So this is what the gel in the cubes look like. Very slippery. This is me trying to pick one up, boy, yeah, it was like wrangling eels. Look here. Anyway, I get one, so this is what it's supposed to look like, and I am about to blend it because, you know, to get the benefits of the aloe vera, you want to get it in a pureed liquid form, right? So I am going to just blend these cubes in my nice blender. You see my fenugreek powder in the back. Hey, I'm a collagen. And I'm adding a little water. And you know, this is optional, but I like my consistency of the aloe vera gel to be a little bit more liquidy. So yeah man, so this is me. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Boom, bada bow. And I'm blending. You don't need to spend no long time. It's not medium pressure. Just a few seconds in the blender, and yeah, boom, you're done. See, whipping it is doing what I couldn't do. Cause child, you don't want aloe vera cubes stuck in your hair. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna strain it. So yeah man, I have this little old strainer that I have this long time. You see my little bit of avocado, guys? I had a little piece of avocado left in the fridge and I decided it was not going to waste, so I'm making it into my hair mask. So normally it would be a lot more, so you see me here desperately trying to whisk the little bitty bit of avocado that I had. I think it was a quarter size. But the benefit of avocado is that it moisturizes hair, it encourages your hair growth, it protects your hair against damage and dryness, and it even shines and strengthens your hair. So combine that with the aloe vera, yeah, powerhouse. So here you see me now, I am actually trying to strain it, and it wasn't as hard as some people make it out to be. I just used my little old strainer and boom, simple, easy peasy. Some people, if you don't have a strainer for this, you can just use a little stocking foot or a leggings and just pour the mixture into it and squeeze it through. Whatever it takes, honey, that's to see it through, my boy. So this is me and ensuring that I'm getting all of that. So if I didn't strain it, all of this would be stuck in my hair, and trust me, you don't want Monday morning catch you with aloe vera flakes in your hair. That is not cute, hon. So you know, so me grow with my granny, because you see me here pressing it out, squeezing out the last drop, and of course you know this Jamaican style, squeeze it out and then scoop from the bottom. Oh, you know so. So yeah man, so this is the consistency of the mixture. As I said, if I had more avocado, more pear in there, it would have been a bit thicker. So watch me now, I'm trying to mix this thing together with my little whisk, because you know I be bougie. So I'm scooping up everything, trying to get everything off the sides, ensuring that everything is mixed in before I add my fenugreek powder. And you've heard me talk about that powder, but for now, this is me whipping away, getting everything off the sides and ensuring that it's all blended together. Yeah, in hindsight, I probably should have scooped the avocado in the blender with the aloe vera, but nah, I want problems always. So here I have the fenugreek powder, and fenugreek is excellent for fighting dandruff. It helps persons with scalp issues, and let me tell you, man, you see that in here? It's like a hair growth tonic. When I say hair growth, fenugreek. This is actually a part of Ayurvedic. Is that how you pronounce it? Ayurvedic powder. It's an Ayurvedic powder which is used a lot in Indian culture, so you can check it out. There are a few other powders that they use for hair growth, but this is one of the top. So I just found out about it the other day and I'm like, yes, let me try this, let me get into it. So fenugreek also promotes hair shine. It shines up your hair and it reduces the rate at which your hair falls. They call it hair fall. So that natural process of shedding hair, it reduces that. It also reduces premature hair graying. And child, COVID give me some little gray hairs, so yeah, I need all the benefits that I can get from this hair fenugreek. So I'm trying to mix up everything all at once, and it's at about this point that I realize that this is futile, because fenugreek, it has a way to clump when it hits liquid, so I don't necessarily want all that clump. Like I said, I want problems always, so I am putting it back into my blender, guys. So I hope you guys watch this video in the entirety so you can save yourself a step before you actually start to do this. But anyway, whatever it takes, do it for the culture. So here I am blending the aloe vera, the avocado, and the fenugreek all together. They're one big happy family up in this blender, so that I can get it into a thick consistency to put it into my hair. Now watch me pouring the nice clean mixture back into the clump them. But that was a conscious decision, guys, because I said that I wasn't going to waste any bit of this fenugreek, because look here, man, like I said, between it and the aloe vera and the avocado, look here, we're talking gold. All right, but for the sane persons among us, you really should put this into a separate bowl where it's clean. So hear me scooping the mixture into my hair. I had to scoop it off camera because that was a little bit of a messy process. Don't make it get onto anything. You don't want any staining happening, so just wear a little old shirt. So you're gonna mix it in, rub it into your hair as well as you can. Now see there, as you can see, there is a fenugreek clump in my hair, 1 and 2, but that's all right, it's cool. So I am about to keep it in my hair for a little while. So this is me checking on it a few minutes later, because I just can't keep my hand out of my hair, and you can see that it's really moisturizing. My curls have started to boing and form. Yes, I made that sound. So I'm here rubbing it through. Busy Saturday morning, so this is something that you can actually put in your hair and just leave it while you're clean, while you do your laundry. Some persons, you can put a plastic bag over your head. I had run out of plastic caps. I never have no plastic bag, because them ban plastic bags in Jamaica and it's hard to find. So yeah, it's fine. You can just leave it in the hair as is, and after a few hours, rinse it out properly and go on about your day.